So we have here the Xiaomi Pad Mini, guys, and we will choose one lucky follower na makakakuha ng Xiaomi Pad Mini completely for free at the end of this video, guys. Pero bago yun, tara, unbox mo natin tong tablet na to. So right from the box, as you can see here, guys, it has Dolby Vision Atmos and it has 8GB of RAM and 256GB of ROM. Tara, unbox natin siya. Let's go. This is a direct competitor, guys, of the iPad Mini, guys. If ever you're looking to buy an iPad Mini, you may want to watch this video muna, guys, kasi this is way cheaper actually than the iPad Mini. So medyo mahigpit lang siya. This is our first look. So it has a 8.8-inch design, AI experience, 3K 165Hz crystal clear display, a focus Xiaomi Pen compatibility, and it has a massive 7,500 mAh battery. So, tingnan natin, guys, kung gaano siya kaganda. First look, and wow! It's really a iPad Mini feel-like competitor. I believe this is priced at 26,000 pesos more or less. And we have our full review, guys, of this iPad Mini on our YouTube channel. Nandun rin po, guys, yung full mechanics, guys, kung paano nyo ito makukuha no for free. Basta panoorin nyo yung video na yun, guys. Again, this is the Xiaomi Pad Mini. Ibabagsak presyo natin to this coming September 26, guys, exactly 8 PM on our live kung saan ka naghahanap ka. But again, if you want to join our giveaway, punta na kayo sa YouTube channel. Search nyo lang, guys, yung Xiaomi Pad Mini in-depth review natin. Let's go para makasali na kayo. Yun lang. See you there. Peace out. Bye.